Now I'm going to show you how you can manually add jobs and job employers. So to add jobs, you can click on next and go to jobs to add a job. Or you can go to your dashboard and in the left hand menu, you'll be able to find jobs option. Go down. You will be able to find option to add job. Over here, you'll be able to see all jobs, add new job, types, categories, locations, tags, field manager, user packages, job applicants, job alerts and settings. Now let's click on all jobs to see all the jobs which are available in the website. Here you can see we have 18 jobs available of different categories. Now let me show you how you can manually add a job. Click on add new job. Now click on next, next and get started. This is a Gutenberg editor. From here you'll be able to add your job. So this is a way to add your job from the backend. To add a job from the front end, what you have to do is go to your website. From your website, you'll be able to log in. This is how a front end. If you click on demo or click on post job, you will be redirected to the page where you can submit your job. So as an admin, you won't be able to publish jobs, but if you become an employer, you'll be able to post jobs. Let me show you how you can do that as well. Let's go to dashboard. Let's click on employers. Here you can see these are different employers. And let's try to create an account like an employer. Go to users, click on all users. Now you can see there are different roles. We have candidate role, employer role and administration role. Let's create an employer role. Let's add a user named Shashank EMP. Let's add a fake email and let's add a simple password and let's change the role to employer. Once we have done it, let's go back to the home page. I'm using incognito mode to test multiple users at once. Now let's click on post job. Now let's use the email. Or let's try to log in via username. So as you can see, we have successfully logged in and we are in user dashboard. Over here you can see we can see our profile, our job, submit job, we can change image, we can view our own profile. We have multiple options like candidate alerts, packages and much more. Now let's try to post a job. Over here, you can create multiple packages. I will show you in the next lecture. But here now let's use extended. Over here, you can add featured image, job title, job description, category, type, and all the fields and some custom field, and then save and preview. And once you're done, you will be able to submit your job and all the jobs will be shown over here. If you go to settings, you'll be able to see all the settings for your jobs. For example, if you want to enable multiple currencies and there are multiple currencies available, you can add custom symbols, currency position, file types which are allowed, CV file types which are allowed, map services for Google Maps, Mapbox and other services, map location, distance settings, location settings and more. Over here you can also see job settings like number of jobs per page, restrict different types of jobs, job submission where people will be submitting the jobs. You can add some restrictions like submit job form page. You can change moderation of the new listings. For example, if a job is posted and you don't want to approve it automatically, you can add moderation. Allow published edits. If someone is trying to post a job and you don't want to allow the publishing, you can deny or add an extra approval. And you can also add a listing duration. Job which will be added will have some amount of days. So this way you'll be able to add multiple jobs. Now let's try to add a job from the backend. Add a title like then we have an option to post a job. Let's make it featured. The featured job will be shown on the top. Then we have multiple options like expiry date for the gender, job type internal, by email, external, call to apply. Then we have salary based on monthly, daily, hourly or yearly. Then we have minimum salary like $100,000, $100 to the maximum of $10,000. Then we can ask for different experience level. Then we can add images, application deadlines, friendly address, application and much more. I will show you in the future how you can change these custom fields. Once you are done, you can next go to posted by. You can search for the employer like Shashank. You can manually edit this option. So you can see this is the new user we created. Then we have layout types. There are different layouts, how a job will look like. Then we have options like category of the job, like customer design. You can add multiple categories. Then we have location like London, Miami, New York, or you can add your own new location like India. Also there are options to add tags, featured image which will be shown on the top. And once you're done, let's use this option to publish. This is a description part. Over here you can add description for the job. Let's update it. And once you update it, you'll be able to see your page. Now let's see how your job looks like. So you can see we have added a permalink / job, then the job page. So this is how your job page looks like. Here you can see the description part, the title, the apply now button, and other stuffs.